How to prepare a Windows 10 bootable USB using Rufus. First, go to the official website and download and install Rufus on your computer. Insert the USB device onto which you wish to install Windows 10 bootable. Launch Rufus and navigate to the device drop-down menu. Select Disk or ISO image in the boot selection column, then click the Select button next to it. Select the Windows 10 ISO file from the spot where you stored it. Rufus will determine the required settings for your Windows 10 installation automatically. You may, however, customize them if you choose. Once you've confirmed that all of your options are accurate, click the Start button to start the procedure. Rufus will notify you that the USB drive's data will be erased throughout the operation. To proceed, press the OK button. Rufus will now begin the process of building the bootable Windows 10 USB device. When the procedure is finished, Rufus will display the message, Ready. You may now exit Rufus and remove the USB disk.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and activate bell icon for more updates.